We got another wig. What? We got another wig. What? We got another wig. What? We got another wig. So first off, this is the hair. This is from Arabella Hair. I got this body wave hair for 20 inches, and this retails for about $113, $116, I believe. Very long, you know, like I said, 20 inches. And yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and bleach the knots. Now I already worn this hair out without the knots bleached, and it needs to be bleached, okay? So like, that's what I'm gonna be doing here. Now I made sure that my bleach consistency is a little bit thick, you know, so that it doesn't run through the scalp. And then I also go ahead and wet some of the hair so that when I do put the bleach on, it doesn't change the rest of the hair too fast. Now I don't know how y'all, some people do like the Got To Be glue spray, and they spray some of their hair so that it doesn't change. It doesn't lift with the rest, with the roots, you know? But I like to use water. And then when I bleach the knots, I do leave it in for about 25 to 30 minutes. So I just made some more of my bleach concoction. This can be watery, it's fine. So I will take my paddle brush, dip it into the bleach, and then brush it into the hair. That's what I do all the time for a lot of my bleaching process. Wait 25 minutes and I'll rinse it out, shampoo, deep condition for like 5 minutes, and then wash it out, and I'll be right back. So I have a bucket of water. Now this is just warm water, and I'm just going to pour some hot boiling water into that. And then I'm going to take some Burgundy Envy and just put that into the water. Mix this with a little bit of crimson. Well, to prevent my hair from staining, I don't want the lace to turn red. So I'm gonna get some hairspray. I'm gonna spray the lace and dump it in. Just let that sit for a little bit. this is the finished look of my hair. How do you guys like it? Do you guys like it? I freaking love this hair. Like, I love how it came out. The color is beautiful. The color combo did amazing. I probably won't do the watercolor method when I'm dyeing my next unit red because it definitely stained my lace, but I was able to cover it with some powder, so that's fine. Another thing is that because I bleached this unit, it is damaged now, so we have to keep in mind that it is going to shed, and it is shedding, of course, and like it does get tangled a little bit too, so just keep that in mind when you bleach this unit. It is going to tangle and it is going to shed. Now I am just worried because the parting space is not that much parting space, to be quite honest. It's like this much. Like, usually I'm used to it being a little bit further down, so I don't have that much parting. I mean, I don't have a deep part. I just have a lot of parting space on the side though, which is pretty cool since this is a 360 lace wig. There is going to be a lot of side parts. Side parting, you get the same amount of space all over. So like if you wanted to part all the way down here, you could, you know. But the only thing is, I'm worried that if it continues to shed, it's going to show that track right here. Like, there's a track right here. And if it continues to shed, it will show, because I feel like there's not enough hair back here for that. So yeah, but girls, like, the color is beautiful, the length is beautiful. It's 20 inches. Now since it's curled, it's gonna be like up to my boobs. So like, it's going to be up to my boobs, but when it's like stretched out, it'll hit my waist area, and I am 5'7", for reference. And this is super affordable, so if you just want to mess around with a wig and try it out and like dye it a different funky color, you could. This was $116 on Amazon, so for $116 for 20 inches is not bad at all. You do have your cons of it shedding and not that much. It's not a deep part wig because it's a 360 wig, but at the same time it's very versatile because you can do like half up, half downs, and you won't have to worry about it being bulky on top. I would show you guys how to do it, but I don't usually put my hair in a ponytail, to be honest. But yeah, you could. You have the option to do so if you want to. Anyway, if you guys would like to purchase this unit, I will leave it linked down below. Thank you, Arabella Hair, for sending me this unit. I really love it. It's very beautiful. Hot girl fall moment right here. This is a hot girl fall moment because this is so beautiful. If you have a deeper complexion, brown complexion, you can definitely rock this beautiful burgundy hair. It'll look stunning. You'll look like chocolate dip cherry. Okay, so yeah, I really liked how this hair came out. I hope you guys did too. Please leave me a thumbs up if you like what you saw and you saw what you liked. Also make sure to hit that subscribe button. It's going to be down in this corner right here. Join my little familia, get a little familiar with me, and yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Mwah.